WooCommerce lets you set regular and sale prices, but it does not include a built-in way to create wholesale pricing, role-based discounts, or quantity-based pricing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up wholesale pricing and discounts in your WooCommerce store using WholesaleX. Let's begin by creating a wholesale pricing rule. Go to the WholesaleX overview dashboard and click the Create Wholesale Pricing button if you didn't create any before. First, give the rule a recognizable name and select Wholesale Pricing as the rule type. Next, choose who should receive this pricing. You can apply the rule to all of your B2B customer roles, or select a specific role or user depending on your pricing strategy. And if you need another B2B role, you can create a new user role directly from here without leaving the pricing rule. Watch the video tutorial while creating a new role if necessary. Now, select the products that should receive the wholesale pricing. You can apply it to all products or narrow it down using specific products, categories, brands, attributes, or SKUs. Once the customers and products are selected, you can configure the actual wholesale price. WholesaleX gives you two options here: regular discount and tiered discount. Let's start with regular discount. This is useful when qualifying customers should receive one wholesale price regardless of how many units they purchase. For example, I'll set a 10% discount for this wholesale role. Percentage isn't the only option. You can also deduct a fixed amount or set a specific fixed price for the targeted products. Now you can set the rule to publish and click Create to make it active on your store. You can see the WholesaleX preview panel to observe how it appears on the front end from your targeted user's point of view. If you want your customers to meet certain purchasing requirements before using this wholesale pricing, you can add them from the restrictions section. There are two main options here. Minimum or maximum quantity controls how many units of each product covered by the rule the customer can purchase. And minimum or maximum purchase value sets the minimum or maximum value customers can purchase for each product covered by the rule. For example, I'll set a minimum quantity requirement. If the requirement isn't met, the customer sees the warning message configured in the rule. You can customize that message depending on what you want the customer to do. Now, let's look at the second pricing option, tiered discount. Tiered pricing lets you change the wholesale price according to the quantity a customer purchases. For example, I'll create 3 tiers so the discount increases as customers purchase larger quantities. You can continue adding pricing tiers depending on how you want to structure your wholesale offers. On the product page, customers can now see the available pricing tiers and understand how their price changes as they purchase larger quantities. WholesaleX also lets you customize how this tiered pricing information appears. From the design section, you can also customize the layout and appearance of the tiered pricing table from the design section. You don't need to change these settings unless you want the pricing table to better match your storefront. For variable products, there is also an option to apply tiered pricing across variations. When enabled, you can combine quantities across variations when calculating the pricing tier. So different sizes or colors of the same product can contribute toward the same tier. If the pricing should only be available during a certain period, you can also schedule when the rule starts and ends. Otherwise, you can leave the scheduling settings untouched. Once everything looks correct, save the rule as published to make this rule active. WholesaleX also gives you more targeted ways to configure pricing when you need them. You can set pricing directly from an individual product, create tiered pricing from a product category, or configure a special discount for a specific customer from their user profile. Those options are available for more specific pricing situations. And that's how you can create regular and tiered wholesale pricing in WooCommerce with WholesaleX. Subscribe for more WholesaleX tutorials.